So we continue to make exciting progress on the Bay Park and specifically at the Mangrove Walk. As you may know, as we've continued to say, as we make progress on our phase one of our park, the Mangrove Walk is no different. We will open it up as pieces of it are ready. As you if you've been out here, have noticed, we've opened the first sort of quarter mile of the Mangrove Walk several months ago, but it's also an active construction site. When you're out here, in fact, today I can see contractors and heavy equipment moving around and advancing the completion in the next few months on the eastern quarter mile of the Mangrove Walk, which will open around the end of February or early March. And so, consistent with that, we will continue to have temporary closures here and there as we need to keep things moving. Coming up the first week of January, we'll need to close the northern end of the bridge. And so you'll be able to walk around parts of the Mangrove Walk, but you won't be able to get across at the northern end of the bridge. That will just be temporary from January 4th through January 9th, and then it will reopen again. And so, again, we appreciate everybody's patience as we move forward, and stay tuned for ongoing updates to our progress and any temporary closures we might have. As a part of our ongoing environmental education program here at the Bay Park, we've recently installed a camera in the osprey nest, and we're very excited about it. And it is something that you have to do outside of osprey nesting season. We're getting really close to the beginning of the nesting season, so we just deployed it, and it'll be going live on our website in the coming weeks. And we're excited and hopeful that our resident osprey couple will be coming back and nesting again this year like they have for a number of years in a row. And we're hoping we'll have some little osprey that we'll get to see on camera and watch them grow up and leave the nest. So as we bring 2020 to a close, want to give a shout out to all of our supporters that have meant so much to our initiative here at the Bay and the Bay Park. And we want to wish everybody a happy holidays and encourage everybody to, over the holidays and into the new year, come out and enjoy the western half of the Mangrove Walk, and look forward to the opening of the eastern half in the springtime around early March. Thanks so much.